Hey everyone! Glad to have you back on Cherry Tree Vibes. Today I'm doing a review of the Glitzy Bingsu slime from Compound Kings. Let's get to it. So first, to talk about this packaging, I think it looks great. It has this plastic container with a thin metal sheet for the lid. It isn't the heavy metal that you would have on actual mason jars, but it is going for that look, and I think it's super useful that it is resealable. Because a lot of store-bought slimes, they come in this package where you can't reseal them again, but I really find this helpful. So it says that it's supposed to be in the scent Fresh Rain, so I guess I'm kind of looking for a nice dewy smell. It also said it's oddly satisfying and crispy, so I'm hoping to get some good ASMR out of this. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this slime definitely has a really bouncy and stiff consistency. It's a good thing in many slimes, but this slime just has a different kind of consistency altogether. As per the stretching was pretty good actually. It stretched really wide, and I thought that the bouncy, the stiff consistency would have a big effect on the stretch, but little did I know that this slime actually stretches really well. Now, as you can see, when you stretch it, the inside is transparent, which makes you see the little Bingsu beads, and it's really beautiful. Now on to the poking. It had a really nice poke to it. It did make the clicking noises, but again, the bouncy texture kind of made it go back up. But it was kind of unique in its different way. So the poking definitely does pass, and the clicking noises were really satisfying. So overall, the slime was great. The stretching was pretty good. The poking was on point, and also the bubble popping, which I didn't really mention, was great as well, and everything was really good. I do have to mention though that there was a ton of fallout on the Bingsu beads, so I do have to take out a 0.5 point on my rating. So my total rating is going to be 4.5 out of 5 stars. And that's actually pretty great. So I really like this Glitzy Bingsu slime, and I do recommend it for everyone else. Now enjoy some ASMR with this slime.